Rapid's cordless glue gun. The battery-powered glue gun with excellent glue flow. You can use the 500 British pounds to fasten cables and for decorating. It's just as useful in your toolbox if you're a designer or installation technician as if you're a DIY home enthusiast. The Rapid glue gun is well balanced and has a 4-finger trigger designed to feel comfortable, even during intensive use. The tool's unique glue flow adjuster allows you to get the right amount of glue with each press. This is part of Bosch's battery partnership, Power for All Alliance. So you can use the same battery with products from brands like Bosch, Gardena, Rapid, Gloria, and Wagner. Safewrench, the safe striking wrench. A striking wrench is a standard tool used in all kinds of conditions in the predominantly heavy industry, intended to loosen or fix bolts and nuts. A big disadvantage of this type of wrench is the fact that you must hold the striking wrench with one hand while you operate the hammer with the other hand. There is a risk that the striking wrench will jump out. The hand can also be injured by the hammer or by pinching after the wrench starts to move. The invention of the Safewrench puts an end to the above-mentioned risks. The striking wrench remains in place without having to hold it, thanks to the use of 2 spring washers. Metrica Super Action. The Metrica Super Action open reel steel tape has an ergonomically shaped frame, is super light, and will not tire your wrist. Shaped and lightweight steel tape will not tire your wrist during use and transport. RIDGID's 10-inch wet tile saw. The Beast 10-in wet tile saw. This saw features a 36-in RIP capacity, 24-inch diagonal cutting capacity, and a 3½ inch depth of cut integrated onto a machined roller system, which provides cleaner, more accurate cuts. The RIDGID 10-inch wet tile saw also features a unique drop gate design, which delivers unlimited RIP cut capacity on the plank and large format tile. The versatile overhead blade design can bevel to 22.5 degrees or 45 degrees, and can also make plunge cuts for electrical boxes and HVAC registers. Additionally, this saw offers several water management features like optimized water nozzles for clean cuts, efficient splash guards that reduce refills, and water tray isolation walls that increase bump life by separating debris out of the recirculated water. Greenliardi 10 rope tester. The new RD10 rope tester offers a portable, durable, and easy-to-use way to test the dielectric strength of your rope in the field. The RD10 can test any length of rope and offers clear visual and audible indications of contaminated sections. Autel MaxiTPMS STB200. The MaxiTPMS STB200 is a laser-enabled tire tread depth and brake disc wear examiner that provides users with quick and accurate wear measurements to measure brake disc wear without having to remove tires. It features a 1.65-inch AMOLED Super Retina touchscreen, displaying measurement data curves in real time. The TB200 provides an even wear analysis and detailed replacement and maintenance suggestions for quick tire service. Ercos HGD100. Benders are tools that we use to bend bus bars. We can also do the same work using well-equipped processing stations. Examples of bending machines are HGD100 and HGP5010. The HGD125 bender and puncher will be used not only for bending L and Q rails, but also for cutting ovals 8.5 to 21 mm and round holes 6.6 to 21 mm. The rail to be treated must be 30 to 125 mm wide and 5 to 10 mm thick. The work is facilitated by the rulers used to set the rail during the opening and the electric sensor during the bending. AutoJo 550 Water Dryer. An essential tool for any car owner, AutoJo expels water and dries hard-to-reach areas on your car, truck, motorcycle, and RV with a concentrated flow of air for that streak-free shine. Perfect for the car and home. The powerful 550 watts motor is easy and safe to use with 2 speed settings to remove dust and debris and quickly dry wet surfaces. Capable of inflating a double air mattress in just 30 seconds. Flexi Crimp 6. With the new Flexi Crimp 6 crimping pliers for wire-in ferrules, AMPCO is opening the door to a new dimension of crimping tools. The hexagonal crimping, which has now become established in wire-in ferrule technology, creates optimal crimping shapes that allow the user to work in small spaces without any extra effort. For the first time, the new Flexi Crimp 6 now processes the cross-section range from 0.08 to 16 mm square, as well as 2x 0.5 to 2x 10 mm square with just one tool. The cross-section range is set before crimping, and being able to feed the wire-in ferrules in from the side makes the work easier. FCST221061 Ratchet Duct Cutter has the characteristics of flexible opening and adjustable position. Convenient use. Its full length is 200 mm, and maximum opening port can up to 42 mm. TELEFIX Telescopic Measuring Gauge. Telescopic measuring gauge for inside-outside measurements. Direct reading on the graduate tape. The measuring device is positioned on the top side of the gauge for an easy reading. Waterproof base sheath. Self-locking of every pole when completely out. Vertical and horizontal vial for a correct position of the gauge during the measure. Protection bag with transport handle. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.